10 dangerous technologies in today's world must know risk. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both intriguing and concerning. The 10 most dangerous technologies currently existing in the world, from potential for misuse to unforeseen consequences. These technologies raise important questions about our future. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. AI weapons. Kicking off our list, we have AI weapons. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have led to the development of autonomous weapons that can make decisions without human intervention. The ethical implications and risks of such weapons loom large, raising concerns about accountability and the potential for deadly mistakes. 2. Nuclear technology. Next up, nuclear technology. While nuclear energy offers clean power, the destructive power of nuclear weapons cannot be ignored. The catastrophic consequences of mishandling or misuse of nuclear materials can have far-reaching and long-lasting impacts on both people and the environment. 3. Biotechnology. Moving on to biotechnology, the power to modify genes and manipulate living organisms opens up incredible possibilities. However, the same technology that could cure diseases could also be misused to create bioweapons or lead to unintended genetic consequences. 4. Cyber weapons. Cyber weapons take the 4th spot on our list. As our lives become increasingly digital, the threat of hacking tools and malware compromising critical infrastructure, stealing personal data, and disrupting entire systems becomes all too real. 5. Deepfake technology. In 5th place, we have deepfake technology. With the ability to create convincing fake videos and audio, this tech raises concerns about misinformation, impersonation, and even the erosion of trust in media and communication. Surveillance technology. Moving ahead, let's talk surveillance technology. While it has potential benefits for security, misuse of these tools can lead to the violation of privacy and civil liberties, as well as the potential for mass surveillance. 7. Gene editing. Our 7th dangerous technology is CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing. While offering a revolutionary approach to treating genetic diseases, it also poses the risk of unintended genetic mutations and unforeseen consequences. 8. Synthetic biology. In 8th place, synthetic biology. The ability to create new organisms and biological materials holds immense promise, but it also brings forth concerns about potential environmental disruptions and biosecurity risks. 9. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are up next. While they have the potential to reduce accidents caused by human error, the reliability of their systems and potential for technical failures raise important questions about safety on the road. 10. Geoengineering. Finally, rounding out our list is geoengineering. Attempting to control the Earth's climate through large-scale interventions has the potential to backfire, altering ecosystems and weather patterns in unintended ways. And there you have it, folks. Our rundown of the 10 most dangerous technologies in the world today. These technologies represent the intersection of innovation and risk, underscoring the need for responsible development, ethical considerations, and global cooperation to ensure a safer future for us all. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. As always, stay curious and stay informed. Thanks for watching.